morning, Mark Soderberg with ADM Investor Services with your morning ag update. All red on the screen here as prices are lower across the ag space. Corn right now is steady to a penny lower. Beans are off 5 to 6 cents. Same with the wheat in Chicago and Kansas City. Minneapolis down only a penny, while in the products down about $1, and the meal of bean oil is off 20 to 25 points. Fresh news really limited. Favorable U.S. weather, lack of progress on trade negotiations with China, while U.S. harvest looms. All continue to weigh on commodity valuations. Export sales are delayed until tomorrow due to the Monday's Labor Day holiday. We do get the EIA weekly ethanol production report later today. Is expected to show production dipped a little bit from last week's 315 million gallons. I do look for the USDA to lower their corn usage estimate by about 10 to 20 million bushels for the 24-25 marketing year in next Friday's WASI report. The arrival of a cool front did bring widespread but light rains across much of the central and eastern Corn Belt the past 24 hours. Look for rains to kind of hold over parts of the eastern Corn Belt for the next few days before conditions turn drier for much of the nation's midsection into early next week. Temperatures to remain cooler than normal until early next week as warmer temperatures from the southwest build back over the Midwest. So far, December corn has held above yesterday's low at 416 and a quarter. 50-day moving average support rests just below that at 414 and a half. With prices still back well over $4. I suspect that the trade is anticipating lower production in next week's USDA reports. That said, however, prices need to remain globally competitive to keep export demand strong. So that would possibly require prices going back below that $4 level. We do have major overhead resistance just above the 430 level. New 4-week low in Nov beans overnight as prices crashed through the 100-day moving average. So far, support at that 50-day moving average at 1023 and a quarter has held. Given the lower acreage base this year, I think Nov beans will hold above its August low near 980. October bean oil barely held above its August low, which is at 51.12. Meal is holding near this week's low as well. Higher production estimates in Russia, along with strong production prospects in the southern hemisphere, just continue to weigh on wheat prices as they hover near 5-year lows. Hard to imagine prices going a whole lot lower from here. However, speculators remain quite comfortable staying short wheat while rolling positions forward to capture the wide carries in the market. Still no confirmation yet of the peace talks between President Putin from Russia and Ukrainian leader Zelensky. Thanks for listening, everyone. Hope you have a great day.